Hello, this is Rick Buchard from RailGun Marketing, and this is the 2-minute marketing hill climb. The obvious news that has been going on and on lately has been the coronavirus thing, and it's a lot of the news is negative, and I want to take the opportunity to do something positive here, because there's just not enough positive news about what's going on. So we're doing 3 things that we can do to help out. So the first thing is, if you have a business that is not really conducive to online, I want to be able to give you a hand with that, and am open to having you give me a call. We'll give you, whatever amount of time it takes, probably at least an hour, discussing ways that you can migrate at least part of your business over to digital or online, and that is on me. So there is, this is not a for fee thing, this is a for free thing. And the reason why is it goes with our philosophy that we are here to empower entrepreneurs and help you build your business. And honestly, things are not great right now, and I would not feel right doing this for a fee. The coronavirus is not something that I want to be using as an opportunity to make money. I want to help. So if you're having difficulty figuring out how to make the transition to digital, by all means, give me a call. I want to help. Second thing, for those of you that have been going to our Alberta Small Business Marketing Workshops, first off, thank you very much. We appreciate everyone that has attended over the last several months and years. Again, because of the coronavirus thing, our registrations are obviously down for our monthly meetings. So we are transitioning those meetings to online, and they are free. There will be no charge for attending the online meetings at all. You will need to still register so we know who's on them and what materials we need to get out to you, but again, no charge. Second to that, and this would be number 3, I guess, is that we have had a number of people saying that Wednesday nights are not real convenient for them, and can we do it on different nights? And when you're doing it in a physical location, it's a little tough at times to do multiple nights, but we're going to accommodate you. So we are going to be doing the small business small business marketing workshop 2 nights a week. So we'll be doing it on Tuesdays and on Wednesdays. So if either one of those nights doesn't work, you will have the opportunity of the other one, and we are going to stagger the hours a little bit, although I haven't finalized that part of it yet. Again, I will get you details. Last thing, and again, I want to make it easier for you to grow your business, so we are also taking the we are taking the Small Business Marketing Workshop from 1 week per month to 2 weeks a month. So it will probably be the 2nd and 3rd weeks of the month, both Tuesdays and Wednesdays. If those nights aren't convenient for you, because we haven't set all the schedule yet, by all means, please comment below. If you'd prefer whatever, Saturday morning or Thursday night instead, let me know. We will try and accommodate as many people as you can, because we want to help you at this time, because honestly, things right now aren't great. It's going to be tough, especially for the next several months. Will we get through this? Absolutely. And then the last thing I want to talk about is just briefly, and expanding on that last point. Things right now are tough. Now is not the time to pull your head under the blanket over your head and just kind of stay in bed. I'm glad you're seeing this on Facebook, because that's where it is, but I am going to copy this and post it other places. Just try and keep the social media to a minimum. Now is the time to double down and work on your business, because when things are bad like they are now, this is the time you need to work on like survival. And that means keep up your marketing, improve your customer service, take the opportunity when you have a slowdown to up your ante, improve your game, because when things turn around, you're going to notice a huge difference, and any type of pent-up demand that is built up in the weeks or months that it's going to take to get through this are going to manifest themselves in your business. So again, don't don't run and hide. Now is the time to double down and work on your business. And entrepreneurs are resilient, so let's go out there and resil, or whatever it is. Anyway, that is it for the 2-minute marketing hill climb. I'm Rick Bickert. Thanks again for watching. And if there's anything I can do to help you build your business and make your business grow, by all means, please reach out to me either on Messenger. You can call me on our work line, which is 587-807-6750, or email me at richard@railgunmarketing.com. Thanks very much, and let's get to work. Have a great day.